Alright, today we're going to be testing some wood with this apparatus that I made. Basically, it's just a floor jack that presses down on a piece of wood that we're testing. The wood you can see here that we're testing, and it's broken over this anvil, which is on a floor scale. Now, this piece that we're testing is based on an article by Don Cook on Sport Aviation, and that's where I got the math. Basically, for every pound the scale raises, you have 100 pounds per square inch on this piece of wood. The wood is 5/8 by 5/8, and it is 14 inches long. We will crank up the jack with the crank. Coming around back, we will watch the numbers on the scale rise. When the specimen breaks, we'll know how many pounds per square inch that we're breaking at and how strong my wood is. So, let's pause it and see what happens. Alright, let's see what happens. So, the weight of the jack and the wood on top comes to about 10 pounds already to start. Let's crank and see where this breaks. The jack's going up. Alright, here we go. 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 55, 80, 85, 90, almost. 90, right about 90 is where that broke. This is a piece of spruce. It's not Sitka spruce. It's an unknown type of spruce that I got at the big box store, and I just wanted to see where this is breaking now. So 9,000 pounds per square inch for that. So that's pretty good. I'm going to be testing some Douglas fir today, along with some white pine. And this just gives you a good idea, an indication of, how good the wood is you're buying at the big box store, and whether or not you want to use it in your aircraft. This is the article, Testing Wood for Strength, page 20, November 1969. This is by Jerry Norton, EAA 32855. He talks about breaking the wood over this scale with a simple device, which I have built into my device. Again, the anvil and over a bathroom scale. So now I did find a small discrepancy in the math that he uses here. When you solve this particular equation, I get 0.63, not this number, 0.5943. So that's why I'm breaking 5/8 inch pieces. Alright? And so that's the article. You can retrieve it from the Experimental Aircraft Association and test your wood and see where you're at. This is a nice book put out by the EAA that has a few articles on this subject. You want to keep in mind that there's a 1.5 safety factor built into the design of these airplanes, so even though this wasn't Sitka spruce, I think that it's suitable for aircraft use. In a design that I'm building, which is the Team Minimax, which is designed to be built out of Ponderosa pine, and I believe they now say any pine. Okay, well, that's all I got.